Hi, good morning. This is Brian Shepard from the floor of the CME Group. The primary trend is still in place in the stock market. Yes, it's bent, and we have tested the downside level yet again at 25.26 area that we're looking at, 13.25, 13.26 in the June S&P. The overnight Globex low held that. The day session opened up about 3 handles lower at 13.31 even. We popped down, tested, and held the Globex low, and we came back and filled the gap at 13.34 even Friday's close. So right now we're looking at an area of 25.26 and up to possibly up to 13.35, 6, 7. So we'll call it 13.36 area. And as many of you longtime followers know, that's a 10 handle range. An observation that we think that the market kind of exhausts itself after about a 10 handle move. Again, some of the key relationships here that have changed the playing field a little bit. The dollar's finding some bid. Is that due to QE2 coming to an end and coming into everybody's vision? Again, as that goes and interest rates goes, the bond market goes, commodities, the risk on, risk off that we've been experiencing the last couple of weeks. Everybody knows about the silver bubble and that. Where that money is going to go, I believe something approximately $24 billion went into the money markets last week. It's a big number. So how long is that going to stay on the sidelines? Time will tell. But that's a catalyst right there, once that money starts to be put back into the market. Other catalysts this week, we've got some macro stuff coming out. We've got economic news coming out. And, there's just so many things on the sideline that geopolitical situations, can erupt at who knows what time, But currently, we do not want to sell weakness. We're not, traders on the floor don't like to do that. We like to provide market volatility. We like to provide, if you're selling, they want to buy them, as simple as that. We don't want to follow the majority of the people. We're more of contrarian types of views. So, going forward, we look at, Dick Beauvais last week talked about Goldman and a projection of 120 in their stock. Goldman was off a couple of days in a row, and currently they're up a little bit. I point that out just because without the financials doing something to help the market, it's going to be hard to really pop this thing right back up into, the month highs. So right now on the upside, above 37 even, I think possibly you can get up to, 1342 even in the S&Ps. With that, in mind, we're going to look at, some future, news coming out to see the next catalyst. Have a great week trading, and we'll talk to you tomorrow.